Hello and welcome back to the Bond Valuation Spreadsheet on financial finance. So I'll finish the bond price on the chart. So I got the chart update. So the bond prices on percentages has the percentage of its euros prices. So 16% is the lowest, and it comes to about 1% the highest, about 1.7, 50.5. Yeah, so that's great. So that's the chart finished for the price of bonds. So next thing I need to do is to go to the bond yield sheet. But again, same as the last one, I didn't calculate these headings once again. But interest cash flow is calculated successfully. Last time I did, there was a problem, so I had to get it from the second table and paste it to the first one to get the answer. But this time I got it correctly, so let's move on to the discounted interest cash flows. Okay, 3.14 euros per foot. Okay, principal cash flows. Good. This will be a finance statement. Good. If statement again. Zero. Principal cash flow is finished. Now the discounted principal cash flows. Now, now I can carry on. 0. Okay, sum of discounted cash flows. Calculations for the cash flows of the internal rate of return. Okay, again, rate and period. That's what's missing. So basically it's the compound interest rate per year. That multiplied by 2 times gets 6.31%. And now into the output. Now the yields to maturity. Okay. Now the current yields. (10.25%). Okay. Capital gains yield. Good. Now into the effective annual rate equals effect science. Give me a second, notes. Yeah, I don't know what the problem was. The problem was J59 is here, which is completely blank because I did not yet calculate the internal rate of return, but we'll do that now. First, I want to calculate the net present value equals. Okay. Now the internal rate of return equals to IRR. Okay, so now I have an answer, 10.80%. Let's go and check the outputs. Yes, so the answer I got now is updated to 10.43%, and the yield to maturity is 10.18%. Okay, so that is bond yield sheet finished. Now let's go to the last one, which is the yields to cost sheet. This is a very big one. It is 2 times as the headings. So I have to do interest cash flows twice, and the other headings are twice as well. And then there will be 2 net present values and IRR equals. Again, there is a rate and period. And I have to calculate the yield to maturity and outputs twice and calculate the annual rate. Yeah, so let's go and calculate the interest cash flows. Number one. For the discounted cash flows. Okay, principal cash flows. Okay, principal cash flows. 0 equals if once again. Unfortunately, I'm out of time, so I'll continue and calculate discount and principal cash flows and get as much as I can in the next video to finish off the yield call sheet. So I'm nearly finished the bond valuation spreadsheet. So it has been very good so far. So thank you all for watching this. Hope you all stay safe, wash your hands, and have a good pleasant weekend and have a good pleasant day. And I'll see you all very soon. Adios.